Kick hard. There you go. Alright, pull him back around this way. Show him doing a circle. No, don't stop him. There you go. Go ahead. Your boot's gonna fall off? It's alright, let it fall. Well, there it goes. Alright, go ahead, go. Kick! Quit yanking your reins. What are you doing? Come over here by me, Xander. There you go. He's got a bug on him. Give him a kick. Keep kicking until he goes. There you go. Get back over, you're gonna fall off. No, you're not gonna whine. Come on. Pull him over here. There you go. Keep pulling. Elizabeth. Thank you. Alright, pull him over here. Okay, ask him to stop.